Welcome guys to this video class. Today is Thursday the 4th and we're going to have the class here the same as we have here in the school, right? Bueno, entonces, ¿cómo vamos a trabajar? El día de hoy vamos a trabajar la corrección de la actividad, video activity that you did yesterday in the platform. Vamos a corregir la actividad de video que hicimos en la plataforma. And let's start. This was point number 1, that is, look at the pictures at the sentences true or false. Many people become sick every year from eating bad food. That's true. Mucha gente se enferma por comer comida que está en mal estado. Food that will make you sick usually looks delicious. No siempre algo que nos cae mal es porque es necesariamente estético, ni se ve muy bien, no necesariamente eso sucede. Water in public places is always safe to drink. El agua en los lugares públicos es más seguro. No. Pues porque están ahí al aire libre y ahora más con lo del COVID pandemic, right? Fruits and vegetables are safer to eat than cookies. A veces las frutas y los vegetales nos puede caer mal. Si ya vieron el video, entonces ya saben por qué lo digo, ¿ok? So let's check. Era true, false, 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 right? Then we have exercise number 2. Aquí cada uno debía ver el video, pues no lo voy a poner otra vez porque ¿para qué? Entonces vamos a completar. Ok. Madison was like many children. No es en mayúscula y no vamos a dejar espacio, porque si dejamos espacio, como les decía en clase ayer, entonces va a marcar malo. Sometimes there is E. coli in food and water. The doctors are worried. The E. coli was in the cookie dough, en la masa. And everyone was very lucky. You see? Children, water, doctors, cooking, everyone. The next one. You have the opportunity to watch the video again and the answers 2, 3, and 5. Ok, esas eran las respuestas. E. coli O157 is a kind of bacteria. How did Madison get E. coli? Soon, over 70 people are ill with E. coli. Ok. And then you have here the story, que esta yo la voy a calificar pues a cada uno porque no la he calificado. Let's see how many people has answered. Urrego, María José, Sebas, Ramírez, Espinal, Campos, Santi. Okay, Santi here. Okay, so, yo solo quería corregir que ustedes supieran por qué es lo mismo que voy a hacer con sus compañeros. Lo mismo que hicimos en clase, lo vamos a hacer pues en el... Now we're going to work on a listening activity on page 88 of your student's book. Listening activity of page 88. Actions and accidents. Listening and accident prone. What is an accident prone? Una persona que tiende a accidentarse muchas veces. So, as I was saying, an accident prone is a person that constantly have accidents, okay? So, en sus cuadernos, por favor, do you and your friends do any dangerous sport activities? What are they? Vamos a responder esta pregunta. ¿Ustedes y sus amigos realizan actividades peligrosas? What activities? Y ahora vamos a escuchar we're going to listen to Angie and Franco talk about accidents and injuries. So we're going to listen to the conversation between Angie and Franco. Y vamos a mirar who gets hurt easily, quién se lastima más fácilmente. Franco, Angie, o both Franco and Angie. And then we're going to listen again, and you're going to decide if the sentences here are true or false. So, Angie has broken her arm in the past, true or false? She has fallen off her bike, true or false? She doesn't wear a helmet, un casco, when she rides her bicycle, her bike. She fell off a swing when she was a baby. She slept in the kitchen once. Franco has broken his arm. So, let's listen.
Unit 9. Actions and Accidents. Page 88. Listening. I'm accident prone.
Hey, Angie. Have you ever broken your arm?
No, I haven't. But I've broken my wrist 3 times.
Wow, 3 times!
Well, yeah. I'm accident prone.
What do you mean?
You know, I have accidents easily.
Really?
Yeah. I fall, slip, and trip a lot. I'm really clumsy. My family says I'm lucky that I haven't gotten really hurt.
So, what kind of accidents have you had?
Well, I've fallen off my bike a lot. In fact, I fell off my bike yesterday.
Did you get hurt?
Not really. I mean, I hurt my knees a little, and I banged my elbow. But it was nothing serious. Of course I had my helmet on.
So, let me guess. You broke your wrist falling off your bike in the past.
Actually, no. I've only gotten a lot of little scrapes and cuts.
So, how did you break your wrist 3 times?
Well, let's see. I was 8 the first time I broke my wrist. I fell off a swing at school.
Oh, no!
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. My parents gave me anything I wanted for a month.
Like what?
Oh, like cookies and ice cream. And they let me watch a lot of TV.
So what happened the second time you broke your wrist?
That was about 3 years ago. It was really silly. I was helping my sister make dinner, and the kitchen floor was wet. I slipped and fell. I broke my wrist, and I hurt my shoulder.
Poor you. And the third time?
It happened at school last year. I tripped over some books that someone dropped on the floor.
Wow, you really are clumsy. But I'm glad you're okay now.
Me too. I haven't broken any bones in about a year. So, what bones have you broken?
I've never broken a bone or even hurt myself. I guess I'm pretty lucky.
Well, you're definitely not accident prone like me.
Okay, so that's the reading. I'm going to show you the transcript a little bit. Maybe you will need it. So you will have to look for words like this: muñeca, de muñeca de tu mano. Hay algunas palabritas que deben buscar. Okay. So, question 1, 2, and 3. No more. Alright, guys. Recuerden, por favor, ingresar a la plataforma for Class Tools, Forum, Virtual Class, March the 4th. Aquí me suben la foto de las respuestas del Listening Activity. Y si tienen alguna duda o pregunta, por favor, háganmelo saber through here. Guys, this is all. Thank you so much for your attention and see you next class. Bye bye.